make my videos on a 2024 Pan America named Big Sheila. What's that, Big Sheila?
Bitch, nobody rides Big Sheila. You lucky you're along for the ride.
What the hell? I tell you, ever since I got these seats refoamed at Mean City Cycles, somebody's been a little mouthy. And that was some of the best money I've spent on a motorcycle part in quite some time. They did the front and back seat. I think it's called double memory foam or something. I called them up. Customer service was awesome. I was gonna get one thing. The guy's like, I have a Pan America, get this, it's cheaper, it's better, you'll be happy, trust me. I was like, boom, sold. I'm very big on customer service, and that dude just nailed it out of the park. So I'll put their info in the description for this video, but I'm gonna take a ride today before the rain, and we'll be up in crap, I forgot the name of the town. Put it on the screen here, but I'll bring you back as we get closer. Yeah, so the name of the town I was trying to think of before is Kinnelon. And you may have seen this in one of my other videos. Kinnelon's like right after Butler. You come up 23 and you take the exit to make a left right before the CVS on Route 23 in Butler, across from EDT Tire. Or you can just go in the CVS parking lot, come out the back, and make a right and hop on this road. I'll tell you the name of this road. This is Kinnelon Road. So yeah, this will take you back. You go past Faison Lake, and there's a lot of curves back here. It's very nice. It's probably about 30 minutes from Richfield Park. Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't think this would be here, but it's a lot of fun. You just gotta watch when it rains. You'll get runoff right around the corners there. But yeah, there's some beautiful houses back here. It's just something else, huh? Of course, I'm out here with the one and only Big Sheila, aka Sexual Chocolate. Stuck behind somebody going slow. I'm gonna give them a little space. Man, craziest trip up here, as you see in the beginning, I'm getting on 80, there's a fence on 80. I'm on 287, and there's a random piece of friggin' wood in my lane. I get off 287 into Bloomingdale, and there's nuts and bolts, like, right as you come around this corner. I'm like, what the hell is going on today? And then there's them. Check these dudes out, though. Not in the middle of the road. They're being respectful. Good on you, sir. Good on you. If you like my videos, make sure you give it the thumbs up or leave a comment. I appreciate it. Not so funny life experience. After being single 14 years, I decided to try and start dating again. I figured it might be easier in my 50s. First date, right out of the gate. Horror story. I'm probably the nicest, easiest going guy in the world, you know, lost a bunch of weight. I have some more to go, but I mean, 67 pounds is respectable, in my opinion, at least. And you know, I was just kind of taken back the expectations on her part. I was like, geez, you're gonna be single forever if you don't, you know, ground yourself in reality. What are you gonna do, huh? I guess if you don't put yourself out there, you're never gonna find someone. It just seems like I'm the magnet for crazy. I tell you, the weather though, 70 something degrees, friggin', well, it's 80 something now. It was hot before, boy. Oh yeah, got me some Torque Basher gloves. I usually only buy Torque stuff. They're local. Always support the local businesses. And I bought, oddly enough, I bought them at Torque Custom Cycles. And they're not affiliated, but you can buy their stuff there. It's really good stuff. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. And horsies. Alright, so we're gonna go left here. Well then. Yeah, buddy. Just hit 4,534 miles on old girl here, and I love this bike. It's like a gateway drug. You're like, all right, I can do some off-roading. I can ride it in the street. I can ride it in the gravel parking lot across from the jail in Hackensack. It's my Supercross track. What's up, buddy? I didn't want to do another vlog about going somewhere to eat. I'm friggin' tired of that. Actually, this bike made me want a second bike even more. And I kind of got my eyes on two things. I can't afford it right now. I have to find a place to live that's not going to wipe my second paycheck. But I'm really leaning towards I kind of want a sport touring bike, man. They seem fun. You know, I said it before and I'll say it again. There's no therapy like wind therapy. No. I really needed something today, man. That date bummed me out. It shouldn't be that hard to find somebody that you just smile every time you're around them. But I don't know if maybe things have changed or whatnot, or you know, some people are involved or absorbed in this mentality of almost like everybody gets a trophy. I can do no wrong. I'm not wrong. You're wrong. Well, we'll see. A bunch of other people have the same idea too. Look at that. That is a dope bike. The Lowrider ST. But I love Big Sheila more. Ain't that right, baby girl? Cool Lotus.
Bitch, you better, or Big Sheila's coming for payback.
Yeah, I used to see like Fox and stuff crossing the road up here. This is still Kinnelon. This is another spot where they'll do radar. You come around this bend and there's a baseball field on your left. Or you gotta watch the retard that just cuts across here. Once I get the new lighting on here, boom, 50 horsepower. But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. Appreciate you giving up your free time to watch, and I hope you'll come back soon.